GM is a company with a long history, but it's a company that's willing to change and adapt.
It's an interesting time because of all the innovation and all the new technologies.
I and my team actually have the chance to shape the world as it's going to be a few years down the line.
We are a software team, and think about this. The software we are developing will be shipped within millions of vehicles. So it's not just you go to work and earn some money to support the family. It's kind of achievement.
Being positioned in Markham gives us this unique advantage. You know, Markham is kind of in the center of the Greater Toronto area, where we have access to more than a dozen universities, where we have top-of-the-line talent that is working in artificial intelligence and machine learning space.
Markham is home to many high-tech companies, and it's Canada's most diverse community with very great and strong culture and heritage.
Me and my family, we moved to Richmond Hill in the York region 9 months ago from Brazil, and we have been enjoying a lot the quality of life. We have great options during the weekends, a lot of things to do, and during the week, we have a commute that allows me to pick up my kids and spend time with them every day during the week.
We're a good community, and neighbors are very friendly, and it's not so crowded comparing to Beijing, China. Yeah.
So many different backgrounds coming in, different industries, different countries, different experiences, all coming in together in this one facility, putting their knowledge together, and it's a great place to work.
I feel empowered in my job. I'm encouraged to try new things and new ways of working, and if they're better, the company is willing and open to listen and change.
So we believe that people are not to be managed, but to be motivated. So GM provides trainings, coaching, and encourage people to make their own decisions to bring value to GM.
It's very exciting to just come into work every day, put your brains together, coming up with new solutions and technologies that's going to change our future. It's going to shape how we look at things.
I've always wanted to work for a company with this level of prestige, and GM is a leader in its industry in North America, and I have a huge amount of admiration and respect for that.